Hi, welcome to SBL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagraj. Today's recipe is immunity booster. In a pan, heat for 3 cups of water. 1 spoon of coriander seeds, 1 spoon of jeera, small piece of turmeric, 8 peppercorns, 6 cloves, a small piece of muleti stick. In Kannada they call it Ati Madura or Modi Kaddi. It's even called a wonder herb, and few long pepper. In Kannada it is called hipli, and a small piece of Indian galnut. In Kannada it is called alale, and little ginger powder or a piece of dry ginger. Let this boil and reduce to half. This helps in fighting cold and fever. It's reduced to half. We can turn off the flame, strain it, and drink this in small portion. Hope you try these and enjoy it. Stay healthy, stay safe. Please do like, share and subscribe.